Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Pair your Galaxy Watch 4 with your phone, then install or update Google Wallet on the phone. The watch will receive the companion component automatically. Once done, make sure NFC and Bluetooth are enabled on the phone and that both devices are signed into the same Google account. This syncs your cards and settings. Charge the watch above 30% so payments complete reliably. This avoids failures during setup. Next, you add cards and perform verification, the core of the middle process. On your phone, open Google Wallet and tap Add Payment Method. Enter card details manually or scan, then follow your bank's verification flow. Once the phone shows the card as active, open Wallet on the Galaxy Watch 4 so it syncs. You may need to confirm with your watch PIN. If the issuer requires SMS or app approval, complete that step. This ensures the card is tokenized and ready for tap to pay. Finally, you learn the last steps to use and secure payments and one key troubleshooting tip. To pay, wake the watch, press the wallet shortcut, select the card, and hold the watch face near the terminal's NFC area until it vibrates or shows success. Make sure the watch is locked with a PIN so lost devices can't pay. Remove cards from the phone's wallet immediately if lost. If payments fail, restart the watch, resync wallet, and confirm NFC is enabled and the watch software is up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.